Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. In today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Overwatch 2 error code LC-208. And the first thing you can do is head over to settings, and you're going to basically just test to see if your network connection is fine. And you can do that by heading over to settings, network connection status, and then test internet connection, and then you can just start your test. If it had anything to do with your Wi-Fi, this will be fixed. What you can also do is you're going to check to see if there are any updates for Overwatch 2, and you can do that by clicking on the home or the options button on your PS5 or PS4 controller. You're going to scroll down until you see check for update, and you can just simply check to see if you have any updates, and if you do, just download them. The third method I can tell you guys to do is delete the game and reinstall it. The fourth method you guys can do is restart your PS5. And once you have your PS5 restarted, what you can do is unplug all the wires out of your PS5 or PS4, wait from 15 to 20 minutes, and you're just gonna replug the wires back in, and you're gonna check to see if the game is now working. Anyways, that is it for the video. Hope this video helped. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.